What do you do if a drawer's dropped and starts dragging on the floor? Find out first why it's dropped. Usually the top hinge goes first. You can check to see these screws are hanging out. If any of the screws are hanging out or actually being pulled out, you need to set it so that the screws will go back in. We quite often do that by putting in a little bit of packing, cocktail sticks. Best way to do this, spread a little glue on, this will come out. Do it that way. Push it in the hole where it's come out. Snap it off. Do the other side. I'm just using one, but I'm filling the hole so it's now tight. Again, snap it off. Done. You would do that for all the holes that need to be done, of course. Normally we'd leave this 15-20 minutes at least to dry, but I'm just going to carry on and show you what else you can do. If this has actually been pulled right out, it may have taken some of the wood from the door jamb out as well. In that case, you'll need to pack behind it. Packing behind it can be anything. A little bit of cardboard. We'll get it about the same size as the hinge. Not too thick, not too thin. This well, it's more of a guessing game than anything else, but cardboard of course will compress. So if it's a little bit thick, fine. Once you screw it in, it'll compress down and it should hold the hinge in tightly. So adding your screws, just put these two in for now. A little bit of information here, the top screws tend to take the most weight, especially on the top hinge, so they have to be tight and really tight when you put them in, and also flush with the hinge. If they're not flush with the hinge, it can stop the door closing properly, but there's quite a bit of play on this one, so it's fine. That's lovely and flush with the hinge, so that's not going to cause any problems. So basically, now your door should swing, no problem. And that's how to fix a hinge that's actually come away.